Hello, I'm Peter Thorpe. I'm a firefighter and the founder of FireVert. In the United States, the #1 cause of home fires is unattended cooking. Cooking fires cause hundreds of deaths, thousands of injuries, and over $1 billion in property damage every year. As a career firefighter, I have responded to countless fires that were caused by nothing more than forgotten leftovers. It was a scene like this that motivated me to search for a solution to prevent cooking fires. FireVert is that solution. FireVert will automatically shut off the stove when smoke is detected, killing the heat source before flames are ever present. FireVert technology works on electric and gas ranges, as well as all 110-volt appliances, such as microwaves and toaster ovens. Protect your property and your residents with FireVert. It is a one-time investment you won't regret.